So when can this be decided? See, his product is decided, his price is decided, but now he is fine-tuning each one of them. The price is being fine-tuned over here when he will compare his services to the services of his competitors. Right? So after this step, what he did is, he decided the timing to hit the market, which is a very, very, very important thing. What will be the timing that I want to hit the market at? Why did MTS hit right now? Is there any other service operator that is hit right now in the market? There is no one. Except MTS, there is no service operator who's hit the market right now. Vodafone did that 1.5 years back. You think that MTS wouldn't have been planning since then? Obviously it would have been. It's a very big company, right? But the reason why it planned it so late is because it understood the segment very clearly. That the segment is saturated right now. Let's not make more noise. Okay, so they decided on a particular timing which will define that if we enter in this particular time, people will remember what is MTS. Unfortunately, they have done very badly on their advertising campaign. Very badly on their advertising campaign. Nothing that you can remember of MTS. If I have to say MTS, what will you remember? Any symbol, any line, anything that you can tell me? Stretching a clock. Okay. Anyone else?
There's an oval logo.
Yeah, oval shape.
It's an egg-shaped logo.
Yeah.
Right? Is there one thing that you can remember? But if I have to say Vodafone? Zuzu. Right? Or if I have to talk about service of Vodafone, happy to help.
Yeah.
Only one line. Right? MTS is all over the place. Okay, it has a man with machine hands. I don't know what is he doing. He's trying to pull himself from somewhere or something. I don't know. So the entire campaign and the timing is what is the first thing that you decide when you segment your market. Okay. When we decided to enter into the food category 3 years back, when I was in my college second year, what I did is 6 months I did my research. Now how many people are there in the tiffin category who are branded services? None of them. Today there are 6 players who are branded tiffin services, out of which 3 of them are funded. 10 to 15 crore companies. Imagine even a food business can get funded. If you guys would have heard of Calorie Care, research. Calorie Care is a brand that has been bought up by Cyrus. Cyrus is a investment banking and a angel investor since more than 8 years now. And he's invested in one of his own companies, which is Calorie Care. Calorie Care provides average meal services at 150 rupees. And starting from 150 to about 350. Absolutely diet conscious meals. Another way of making but fortunately what he did perfect is he segmented the market very well. Okay? So if you segment your market of the foods very well, you obviously can be a successful businessman. And there is no harm in accepting the fact that there are huge deal of customers who are foods. There is no harm in accepting that. There are so many things that even we do today which are actually like foods. I mean, just sharing this, nobody demands anything from me after this, but my sister works in an international export house and they cater to brands like S. Oliver, Esprit, Topman, all of these international brands. Okay, so fortunately all my shirts belong to these brands because she's working there. One of the days I was wearing an Esprit shirt and we went for shopping for one of my friend's birthday. We entered Shoppers Stop at Innovative and the first counter is Esprit over there. We bought this shirt for him and while he was buying the shirt, I was just scanning through various shirts over there. I came across the same shirt that I was wearing. I was like, same here. I picked up the tag and that was 3,300. And that day I realized, this is actually the price for what I'm wearing. Others I never look at the price. Because obviously I have penny there. You never count the money on it. But what Esprit is done in relation to the entire clothing category is that they have made 2 things. One is they have made class, 2 they have made fitting. None of the Esprit shirt would ever be ill-fitted. Coincidentally today the shirt that I am wearing is also Esprit. they would never be ill-fitted. The fitting that Esprit provides to a particular customer is perfect. And that's why it has a very niche category of audience and it only serves to them. That day we made a bill of 11,500. And what did we get? One formal pant and 2 shirts. Amazing. That guy had great purchasing power. Or rather I would say fooling power. Since that day till today I have never let him buy any one shoe from anywhere. Again, what has everybody concentrated on is the segment. Okay, one of the technical points is very sweetly appropriate price fixation. This is one of the points of segmentation. Okay, now this is a very sophisticated way of saying that सामने वाला कितना येड़ा बन सकता है तुम डिसाइड करोगे. Okay, सस्ते में बनेगा या महंगे में बनेगा. And there is a market for everybody, each and every product, in all possible categories of life. There is a cobbler sitting downstairs who will do the same job for you, and suddenly the cobbler is sophisticatedly known as Mochi and Inorbit Mo. Do you know? Okay, how many guys over here know what is mocha? The real meaning of mocha? Everybody is going and sitting, enjoying the hookah, everything over there. How many guys know the meaning of it?
The person who makes coffee.
Okay. Anyone else? What's mocha? Any guesses? What would that mean? Aroma of coffee. It's a Hindi word which says mocha. Mocha means opportunity. Opportunity means a chance to meet someone. That's why it's mocha. And everybody knows mocha. Let's go to mochas. Yeah. What they have done is, they have understood that their customer is basically belonging to a category which loves Hindi, English and ununderstood words. Why do you think a hotel like Le Méridien runs better than a Sahara Star? Do you guys understand what is Le Méridien? No, because it's a French word, it must be had. It 100% has to be had. A coffee at Le Méridien costs at least $450. They must be putting great stuff inside the coffee. I mean, they use the same coffee beans, damn it. Barista comes up with Lavazza. Lavazza, Italian coffee. Because all Indians are fools. They want to go to do everything which is non-Indian. Italian coffee, French hotel, everything that is non-Indian, we have. And you would do. Suddenly we have this new ice launch which is come in Oshura. Fahrenheit. 21 degree Fahrenheit, right? Copy paste concept from Singapore. Copy paste concept. $750 a human being for 25 minutes. And what do? Go and get ice glasses for one tequila shot or something. What's the fun? And everything you know that it's artificially made. Nothing is natural over there. So you go into an artificially made place to pay $750. लेकिन मंदिर में $10 का प्रसाद नहीं चढ़ाएगा कोई. Boss, you understand that what they have done is very clearly that they have segmented their market. बहुत अच्छे से segment किए. We have a set of fools who are ready to pay 800 rupees. And if they would have kept 250, कोई नहीं जाएगा. You would feel that ice will start melting because it's good. अरे यार पिक्चर के पास मेंटेनेंस का पैसा किधर जाएगा? उसका ice melt होने वाला है, नहीं जाने का मतलब है. Right? So everybody what they do is they appropriately fix a particular price to make sure that their segment doesn't get affected. You pick up any one example and I'll give you the explanation. Any one example that you guys feel that might not fit into this category. Pick up any one example. So we don't have that guy over here in this class. I guess his name is Kush. Kush is from the other division, right?
Yeah.
Appropriate price fixation belongs to this category. Appropriate price fixation. He has a Reebok frame worth rupees 4,500.